I do a facials at home at least once a month because sometimes your skin just needs a reset. And if you're anything like me with sensitive and acne-prone skin, girl, you probably get it. So here's how I take my skin from tired and dull to soft, glassy, and calm. All from home. No spa prices, no stress, just vibes. So, let's start simple. I like to go in with a gentle cleanser that doesn't strip my skin. And this La Roche-Posay's Hydrating Gentle Cleanser is a game changer. Because if you've ever dealt with acne, you know the temptation to overclean is real. But here's the truth. Harsh cleansers make things worse. Your skin's not dirty. It's just asking you to be kind. So I take my time, I massage it in. Think of it as press and reset on everything your face has been through this week. For years, I struggled with acne, the breakouts, the scars, the frustration of doing everything right and still waking up to the new ones. I used to hide my face, avoid mirrors, and I wish I could just start over. But the truth is, healing doesn't come from hiding. It comes from learning what your skin needs, what your body is saying, and how you show yourself grace in the process. Next up, exfoliation, but I learned to do it gently. When I had acne, I used to think that scrubbing harder meant faster results, but all it did was make my skin very angry and sensitive. Now I use a mild exfoliant, something soothing that helps remove dull skin without stripping it. The goal isn't to rush the process, it's to trust it. Then I steam my face, or if you don't have a steamer, a warm towel works perfectly. Steaming helps open pores, it loosens buildup and improves circulation. But here's something I learned: don't steam for too long. For sensitive skin, 5 to 7 minutes max is enough. Too much heat can cause redness or irritation. Now, my favorite part, masking. I use 2 types depending on my skin that day. A clay mask if I'm breaking out, or a hydrating mask if my skin feels dry. But today, I used both. This face mask from La Roche-Posay is really good. Detoxifies the pores, it calms irritation, and gives your skin that clean, fresh feeling. Masks are like therapy for your face. I use one that targets acne, but keeps my skin hydrated. And here's the reminder, don't just wait for the mask to dry. Use that time to breathe, journal, sip some tea, and enjoy the moment. When you see a razor, you know it's time for a face shave. I use this snail-based serum. This stuff is amazing for hydration and helps protect my skin. Make sure you get a nice even layer, grab your razor, and always use a fresh blade to avoid ingrown hairs and irritation. Remember, short, gentle strokes are key. Shave very gently and wipe off or rinse off your razor frequently to keep it clean. Take your time, there's no need to rush. Reapply the shaving serum as needed, especially in those tricky areas like around the jawline, the chin. Once you're satisfied with the shave, rinse off your face with cool water and close those pores. Okay, confession time. I do blackhead extractions at home, but carefully, like I know my limit, very carefully. I use an extractor tool to focus around my nose, my chin, and never force it. You know it's ready if it pops easily. If it doesn't, leave it alone. Your skin will thank you later. Next up, I go in with a soothing toner. Toner is like that calm friend who walks in after chaos and says, okay, let's relax. It helps you reset your pH, it calms redness, and preps your skin for all the good stuff that's coming next. I honestly recommend this Good Molecules Niacinamide toner. It has been my best friend for a very long time. Now, serum time. Girl, let me tell you about the snail mucin serum from Cosrx. Consider me one of those who were highly influenced by it. I'm obsessed with it. Don't let the name scare you. It's insanely hydrating and great for acne scars. Think of it as a skin hug. Sticky at first, but soft and glowy after it sinks in. Okay, so this is my favorite part. Well, my most favorite part, moisturizer. My skin literally drinks this in. I always use one that's lightweight but nourishing, especially after exfoliating or steaming. It's like sealing the deal. Everything I just did gets locked in. And I just like to see the glow on my skin. Oh my god. Okay, so girl, I'm a lover of the good life. Sometimes I go the extra mile with a hydrating sheet mask. It's like a cold drink for your face. Instant calm. As I let my skin drink up the moisture from this mask, I just go ahead and roll my face some more, let the mask soak in. Because sometimes I can be extra like that, but girl, it doesn't really hurt. It's just extra moisture, that extra glow, that extra food for your face. So try it.
A few moments later. Wow!
You can definitely tell my excitement of how I already look and the result of these facials. I seal everything up with this facial oil and gua sha. I used to think this step was extra, but now I see it's everything. It helps with circulation, puffiness, and honestly, my peace of mind. Do you see the glow? Oh my god. This is actually a gentle reminder to lift everything, your face, your energy, your mood. Girl, take care of you. So, that is my monthly facial. 10 simple steps, 1 soft reset. I do this once or twice a month, not just for clear skin, but for clarity. When life gets busy, this little ritual reminds me that I can slow down, breathe, and take care of me. Healing isn't instant, but every time you show up for yourself with patience, with love, with care, your skin listens. Because soft life routines build strong women together. Thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe for everything self-care, self-love, and becoming the best version of yourself.